Zoho Campaigns Email Marketing Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Zoho Campaigns are in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing Zoho Campaigns, an email marketing tool designed for businesses looking to create targeted and automated email campaigns. This platform offers a suite of features that streamline the process of email marketing, from creating emails to tracking campaign performance. One of the key strengths of Zoho Campaigns is its user-friendly drag-and-drop email builder. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, the interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. The tool offers a variety of customizable email templates, so you can create professional-looking campaigns without any coding experience. Plus, it supports advanced features like A/B testing, allowing you to test different subject lines or email designs to optimize your campaigns. Zoho Campaigns also integrates seamlessly with Zoho CRM, which is ideal for businesses that already use Zoho's suite of tools. This integration allows you to create highly targeted email campaigns by segmenting your contact list based on data from your CRM, such as past purchases or engagement history. The platform also supports automation workflows, so you can send personalized emails triggered by customer actions, like signing up for a newsletter or abandoning a shopping cart. The analytics and reporting features in Zoho Campaigns are comprehensive. You can track key metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and bounce rates, and the tool provides actionable insights to help improve your campaigns. The platform also offers detailed reports on email performance, so you can continuously refine your strategies. Zoho Campaigns is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses looking for an affordable yet powerful email marketing tool. Its integration with Zoho CRM makes it particularly valuable for companies that want a seamless connection between marketing and customer management systems. In conclusion, Zoho Campaigns offers robust email marketing features at a competitive price point. Its ease of use, automation capabilities, and reporting tools make it a great choice for businesses aiming to enhance their email marketing efforts. Check out the links below for more information.